Be honest. Does artificial intelligence still feel like a thing that other people understand? And you just sort of nod along. You've heard everyone say it changes everything, but nobody actually showed you where to put your hands. This video is that starting point. No code, no jargon, nothing to install. By the time we're done, you will have done 7 real things with AI. The kind of things you'd actually use tonight. Not because you became technical, because it was never about being technical. Stay with me. First, let me take something off your shoulders. You are not behind, you are early. The people who look like experts have had maybe a 2 year head start, and most of that head start was just clicking around and being curious. There's no exam, there's no certificate you missed. You cannot break anything by typing a question. So let me name the 3 fears because I had all of them. One, it's too technical. It is not. If you can text a friend, you already have the only skill you need. Two, I'll mess something up. You won't. It's a conversation. The worst thing that happens is you get an answer you don't like and you simply ask again. Three, it's not for someone like me. It's exactly for someone like you. The non technical person gets the biggest jump because AI hands you skills you never had time to learn. Okay? Shoulders down. Let's get the one idea that makes all of this click. If you remember nothing else, remember this one picture. Talk to AI like it's a brilliant friend who has read almost everything ever written, but knows absolutely nothing about you. That's the whole thing. It is wildly smart and completely in the dark about your life. So it has read every book on cooking, but it doesn't know you're vegetarian and you hate mushrooms. It has read every legal guide, but it doesn't know which letter is sitting on your kitchen table making you anxious. Your only job is to bring the part it's missing, the part about you, your situation in plain words. You don't need fancy phrasing. You just need to tell your smart friend what's actually going on. That's it. Now, let me show you 7 things you can do with that smart friend starting tonight. Number 1, write the message you've been dreading. We all have one: the email to the landlord, the text to the relative, the reply you keep reopening and closing. Open AI and just say it like you would to a person. Help me write a polite but firm email to my landlord. The heating has been broken for 2 weeks and I've asked twice already. Watch what happens. It writes the whole thing in seconds, sounding like a calmer version of you. Don't like the tone? Say make it warmer or make it shorter. It's a conversation, remember. Number 2, make anything confusing make sense. This one alone is worth the whole video. Next time something lands in front of you that you don't understand, a medical letter, an insurance form, a contract, a bank statement, paste it in and say, explain this to me like I'm smart, but not an expert. What does it actually mean for me? And is there anything I should be worried about? It turns 3 pages of intimidating language into 3 calm sentences. You are allowed to understand things now. That is exactly what this does. Number 3, plan the thing you keep putting off: a trip, a birthday, a week of dinners, a budget. Plan me 4 days in Lisbon in October. I like food and walking. I'm not into nightlife. And my budget is moderate. Give me a simple day by day. And because it's your smart friend, you correct it. Less walking on day 3, my knee. Done. It does the boring scaffolding. So you only do the fun part, deciding. Number 4, learn anything at your speed. You were never bad at the subject. You were taught at the wrong level. Teach me how compound interest works, like I'm 12, with one simple example using real numbers. Then push on it. Okay, now explain it like I'm an adult who wants to actually use this. You got a private tutor who never sighs, never rushes you, and will explain it a fourth time without ever making you feel small. Number 5, think a decision through. Stuck between 2 choices? It's a fantastic thinking partner. Help me think through whether to take a new job. Here's my situation. Then just talk. It will lay out the trade offs you're too close to see, ask you the questions you've been avoiding, and never tell you what to do. You still decide. It just makes the fog lift. Number 6, sound like the best version of yourself. Got a message, a post, or a review to write, and the words just won't come. Here's a rough message: fix the grammar, keep my voice, and make it sound confident but not stiff. It's not writing for you, it's polishing what you already meant. The thought is yours, it just irons the shirt. Number 7, a patient coach for the small stuff. This is the quiet one that sneaks up on you. I want to start walking every day, but I keep stopping. Be my gentle accountability coach. Ask me one question each morning, or a recipe coach, or someone to practice a hard conversation with before you have it for real. It's there at 11 at night when no human should have to be. No judgment, just steady. If your first tries ever feel flat, it's almost always one of three things, and all three are easy to fix. Mistake 1, being too vague. Write something about my business gives you mush. Tell it what the business is, who it's for, and what you want. Detail in, gold out. Mistake 2, quitting after one answer. The magic is never in the first reply, it's in the second. Shorter, warmer. Now, make it about families. Push back like you would with a person. Mistake 3, never telling it about you. Remember the smart friend who knows nothing about your life? The more you tell it about your situation, the more it stops being generic and starts being yours. Fix those three, and you're already ahead of most people who've been doing this for a year. So here's all I want for you: pick one of those 7 tonight. Just one. The dreaded email is a great place to start. And here's the thing nobody tells beginners: you don't get good at this by studying it, you get good at it by talking to it. 10 minutes tonight beats 10 articles. If this made AI feel like something you can actually do, I make a video like this for normal people every week. Subscribe here on YouTube and follow me on Facebook and Instagram too, so the next one finds you. I also put together a free Beginner's AI Starter Kit. It's every prompt from this video, ready to copy and paste, plus a one-page cheat sheet so you never stare at a blank box again. Comment the word START and I'll send it straight to you. And if you want to go deeper, my guides over on Gumroad take you from here to genuinely confident, step by step. You were never behind. You just needed someone to show you where to start. Now you know. Go talk to your smart friend.